Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about 17 mistakes done when implementing Lean, why each one should be avoided along with the negative impacts they cause. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and leave your comment below so I know if you like this video or which content should I create next. Mistake number 1, treating Lean as a one-time initiative. Why is it a mistake? Lean is a continuous improvement approach, not a one-off event thing. Many companies run a Lean project once but fail to sustain the improvements. What are the negative effects? Without continuous application, teams quickly revert to old habits, making any improvements temporary. How to correct that? Build a culture of ongoing improvements by regularly revisiting Lean principles. Implement systems for continuous monitoring and follow-up to ensure long-term adoption. Mistake number 2, lack of leadership commitment. Yes, you heard me. Without active support and participation from leadership, Lean initiatives lose momentum and direction. Leaders need to lead by example. The negative effect is that without leadership buy-in, teams don't take Lean seriously. Projects stall and resources aren't allocated. The way to correct that is to make sure that leaders actively participate in Lean training and demonstrate their commitment through regular Gemba walks and involvement in continuous improvement processes. Mistake number 3, not involving employees in the process. Why is that a mistake? Lean relies on input from the team members who do the work. When they are left out, valuable insights are missed. Excluding employees leads to resistance, low engagement, and poor implementation results. You can correct that by involving team members from the start. Use their expertise to identify inefficiencies and co-create solutions, giving them ownership of the Lean processes. Number 4, focusing only on cost reduction. While Lean can reduce costs, its primary focus is improving value and eliminating waste. Focusing only on cutting costs compromises the overall goal of Lean. This narrow focus can lead to decreased quality, employee burnout, and missing the bigger picture of the process optimization. How to correct that? Balance cost savings with improving processes, enhancing value and ensuring long-term sustainability. Focus on creating customer value and cost reductions will naturally follow. Mistake number 5 is implementing too many tools at once. Rolling out multiple Lean tools like 5S, Kanban, and Kaizen at once can overwhelm the team and dilute the focus. That can provoke confusion, frustration, and tools misuse can occur, leading to poor implementation. The way to correct it is to start with 1 or 2 Lean tools, implementing them thoroughly, and gradually introduce more once the team has mastered the basics. Ensure proper training and understanding before moving on to additional tools. Mistake number 6, failing to train employees properly. Why is it a mistake? Without proper training, employees won't understand Lean principles or how to effectively use the tools, leading to misapplication. Lack of knowledge results in poor implementation, frustration, and low success rates. You can correct that though, providing thorough and continuous training. Engage employees with hands-on workshops, simulations, and follow-up coaching to reinforce learning. If you want to know more about that, take a look at the link I left below. Mistake number 7, ignoring the culture change aspect. Lean requires a shift in mindset and behavior across the organization. Focusing only on tools without nurturing a culture of continuous improvement limits its potential. Without culture buy-in, Lean efforts fizzle out over time, and old habits return. To correct that, you can foster a culture of openness, learning, and employee empowerment. Encourage experimentation, feedback, and collaboration at every level. Reward and recognize efforts to maintain Lean practices. Mistake number 8, skipping root cause analysis. Why is that a mistake? Lean emphasizes problem solving at the root cause level. Focusing on superficial fixes or symptoms without addressing the root cause leads to recurring issues. Problems repeat themselves, processes don't improve, and employee frustration grows. So the way to correct that is to use the Lean problem-solving tools like the 5 Whys or fishbowl diagram to drill down to the root causes. Train teams to approach problems systematically, seeking long-term solutions rather than quick fixes. Don't forget, a problem well defined is half of the solution. Mistake number 9 is not customizing Lean to your business. Applying Lean tools without considering the specific needs and challenges of your industry, business model, or team can lead to inefficiencies. Generic solutions won't solve specific problems, leading to wasted time and effort. So what you need to consider is to adapt Lean principles to fit your unique context. Start with a thorough analysis of your workflows and customer needs, then tailor Lean tools to address those specific challenges. Number 10. Failure to measure and track progress. If you don't measure the impact of Lean initiatives, you can't tell what's working and what needs adjustments. Without clear metrics, improvements might not be sustained, and teams lose motivation due to the lack of tangible progress. How to correct that? Set clear, measurable goals, key performance indicators or KPIs for each Lean initiative. Regularly review progress with the team and make adjustments as needed. Use visual management techniques like scorecards or dashboards.